Hi friends, today I'm going to read to you a story called Eye to Eye, How Animals See the World, and it's by Steve Jenkins. Move away from light. The eye spots of the sea slug can detect light, but they can't form images or perceive the slug's own brilliant colors. This kind of eye has been around for hundreds of millions of years. First, I'll take a look around. The eyes of a garden snail are perched at the end of two long stalks, so it can look in every direction without sticking its head out of its shell. The snail's eyes can resolve images, but they can't function mainly as light detectors. Sensing the shadow of a bird or other predator can help the snail survive. Pinhole eye. The pinhole eye of animals such as the nautilus have been around for 500 million years. Its pinhole eyes can discern objects and other animals, but only if they are large or very close. These eyes have no lens, so water flows in and out of the nautilus's pupil. How many eyes? The Atlantic Bay scallop is also known as the blue-eyed scallop. Its rows of blue eyeballs are sensitive to movement as well as light, allowing the scallop to snap shut when danger threatens. The number of eyes can vary. One scallop was found to have 111 eyeballs. The biggest eye. The eyes of the colossal squid are each the size of a basketball, the largest of any animal. The deep ocean waters where this squid lives are completely dark. Its huge eyes, however, can detect the faint glow of tiny bioluminescent creatures when they are disturbed by an approaching sperm whale, the squid's arch enemy. Moving target. The bullfrog doesn't appear to see things that aren't moving. It eats insects, but face to face with a motionless fly, it will starve to death. The frog's eyes also help it swallow its prey. They press downward through openings in its skull, forcing food down its throat. Size matters. As soon as a stalked eye fly hatches, it begins to pump air into a pair of stalks sprouting from its head. The stalks, each with the compound eye at the end, grow and grow, some more, and soon become fixed in place. Two males compete for a female's attention by comparing stalks. The fly with the longer pair usually wins out. Seeing the invisible. The blue mountain swallowtail butterfly can see most of the colors that we see, as well as some that we can't. Its compound eyes are sensitive to ultraviolet light, high-frequency light that is invisible to us. Many flowers attract butterflies by displaying stripes and patterns visible only to ultraviolet light. This insect's eyes also provide a wide field of vision, allowing it to see in nearly a full circle. Getting warmer. A pair of heat-sensing organs on the face of a green pit viper can see the body's heat of a bird or mammal. Radiant heat or infrared radiation is really just a kind of light that humans can't see. These organs or pits are not eyes in the normal sense, but with them the snake can form an image of its warm-blooded prey in what we would perceive as complete darkness. If looks could kill. The jumping spider is a hunter, and it relies on 8 eyes to find and kill its prey. It has 2 pairs of eyes on each side of its head, not visible in this view, that detect movement. A wide-set pair of eyes on the front of its head provide depth perception, and the 2 large eyes in the middle of its face form detailed images, giving it the keenest vision of any spider. Two-way vision. The eyes of the brown snout spookfish are split into 2 segments. One part looking toward the surface, scanning for prey. The other part peers into the dark waters below, watching for predators that lurk there. 2 + 1. The tuatara, the last surviving member of the ancient family of reptiles, has a third eye on top of its head. The eye is sensitive to light, but it cannot form images. Things are looking up. The young halibut, like most fish, have an eye on each side of its body. As it gets older, however, one eye migrates over the top of the fish's head. Eventually, both eyes end up on the same side. The halibut spends most of its adult life lying on its side on the bottom of the ocean, and this arrangement means that both eyes will be directed upward, away from the seafloor. Over, under, sideways, down. The panther chameleon can move and focus its eyes independently. It can look in two directions at once, watching for prey and danger at the same time. 360 degrees. The compound eyes of the ghost crab are positioned on stalks that swivel. The eyesight of this crab is so sharp that it can spot and track a flying insect, then snatch it out of the air. It can also watch for danger approaching from any side. Here's looking at you. The gharial lies quietly with its eyes protruding above the water. It is waiting and watching for a fish to disturb the surface. When one swims close, the gharial grabs its prey with a sudden sweep of its jaws. Eyes of a hunter. At the back of a house cat's eye is a reflective layer called tapetum. This layer bounces light back through the cat's retina, improving its eyesight in dim light. Like most predators, cats also have forward-facing eyes. This position gives the two eyes overlapping fields of vision, which makes it easier to judge distance, an important quality and ability for a hunter. Built-in goggles. The hippopotamus spends much of its time in lakes and rivers. It can see well underwater, where its eyes are protected by a special clear membrane. Like most herbivores, the hippo has eyes positioned on either side of its head. This gives it a wide field of view to watch for lions and other predators. Zip it. The leopard gecko is nocturnal, and it can see well in dim light. If this lizard ventures out during the day, the pupils contract to zipper-shaped slits to protect its sensitive eyes against the bright light of the sun. Oversized orbs. The tarsier has the largest eyes relative to its body of any mammal. Each eyeball is larger than the tarsier's brain. These huge eyes help it to see as it hunts at night. Rainbow vision. The eyes of the mantis shrimp are the most highly developed in the animal kingdom. They are much more sensitive to color than our own eyes, and they can detect light that is invisible to most other creatures. These eyes help the mantis shrimp to find prey and avoid danger in the colorful coral reef habitat where it lives. Sharp eye hunter. The Eurasian buzzard has the sharpest eyesight of any animal. Its vision is 8 times more accurate than ours, keen enough to home in on a rabbit 2 miles away. Thank you for listening.